Cleaning your glass shower door is an essential step to keeping the entire bathroom fresh, especially considering how much grime, hard water, soap scum, mold, and mildew can accumulate over time. While you might consider grabbing just any old glass cleaner you have on hand to tackle your shower doors, Katie Dills, president of the Cleaning Authority, says it's best to use a cleaner specifically designed for bathroom surfaces or a natural cleaning concoction that effectively targets soap scum and hard water stains. To find the best cleaners for glass shower doors, we researched numerous top-rated products while considering factors such as application, formula, and function. We also spoke with Dills and Emma Barton, cleaning expert and founder of Steam Clean Queen, for tips on what to look for when buying the right formula for keeping your glass shower doors squeaky clean. Number 1. Magic Glass Cleaner Spray for Shower and Mirror. It's easy to be wooed by a cleaning product with magic in the name, but it's also easy to understand why this glass cleaner was given that name in the first place. The Stay Clean technology builds a coating for your shower that protects it from hard water, soap scum, and even rust buildup for a full week. It's super easy to use this cleaner. Just spray it on, let it sit for a minute or two, and wipe it off with your tool of choice, such as a microfiber cloth, sponge, or squeegee. Soap scum and hard water stains disappear with every swipe, leaving clean, smudge-free, fogless glass. The best part? The spray leaves behind a transparent coating that keeps all the yucky stuff at bay for a week's worth of showers, so there's no worry about daily maintenance to keep your shower clean. Number 2. CLR Pro Restroom Cleaner. Depending on where you live, hard water buildup is nearly inevitable, especially on glass shower doors. When it comes to getting rid of hard water stains, we recommend CLR Pro Multi-Purpose Restroom Cleaner. This product is effective at removing soap scum, calcium, and grime, and is safe to use on a variety of surfaces including glass, ceramic, stainless steel, and granite. As a bonus, this cleaner is formulated without harsh chemicals. The non-abrasive formula clears hard water stains almost immediately and leaves behind a streak-free shine. CLR is one of Barton's most highly recommended brands, and most CLR products, including this cleaner, are EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning they meet strict criteria for ingredients, packaging, performance, and more. Number 3. Invisible Shield Multi-Surface Cleaner. Glass shower doors aren't the only bathroom surface that collects grime, soap scum, and other residue. To keep your entire bathroom clean, we recommend Invisible Shield Multi-Surface Cleaner. This product is safe and effective to use on glass, ceramic, granite, marble, stainless steel, and more, since it not only cleans and controls odor, but also prevents and repels buildup. The Invisible Shield Multi-Surface Cleaner contains hydrogen peroxide, which is a natural antimicrobial. For best results, spray the area thoroughly and wipe it with a microfiber cloth to leave your surface clean and polished. For heavier messes, spray thoroughly and massage the surface with a soft, non-scouring sponge before wiping with a dry cloth. Effective multi-surface cleaner for all surfaces in the household. Cleans with power of hydrogen peroxide and applies a protective barrier and finish to make future cleaning easier. The barrier resists soil, stains, and increases the shine and preservation of your surface. Surfaces stay cleaner, shinier longer, feel smoother, and wipe-ups are easy. Also, prevents odor-causing bacteria, mold and mildew from growing in between cleanings. Number 4. HIWARE All-Purpose Shower Squeegee. With its ergonomic design, rust resistance, cleaning power, and variety of sizes and finishes, the HIWARE All-Purpose Shower Squeegee is our pick for the best squeegee. This squeegee features an evenly constructed blade that allows for a streak-free and squeak-free clean, and also comes with a set of waterproof adhesive hooks so you can store it inside or outside your shower. With or without your preferred spray cleaner, the HIWARE All-Purpose Shower Squeegee quickly gets rid of water spots, limescale, soap scum, and other sources of buildup. This product can also be used on other surfaces like marble countertops and windows without leaving scratches or streaks. If you'd like your cleaning tools to blend in cohesively with your bathroom, look no further, as this squeegee comes in 3 sizes and 4 finishes to match perfectly with the rest of your now spotless bathroom and shower. Designed for optimum functionality, this squeegee shower cleaner comes with a 10-inch wide rubber blade, an ergonomic design, and a lightweight handle, all of which allow for convenient cleaning and quick drying action. Moreover, the blade features even construction which allow for streak-free and squeak-free water control. Number 5. Rejuvenate Soap Scum Remover. Rejuvenate Scrub-Free Soap Scum Remover is our top choice for the best overall cleaner for glass shower doors for its bleach-free, fragrance-free, and non-abrasive formula that leaves a streak-free finish and gets rid of soap scum and hard water stains on contact. We also love its versatility since it's safe and effective to use on ceramic, tile, chrome, plastic, and natural stone. Although the label claims no scrubbing is required, it's best to scrub lightly with a scrubbing brush for heavy-duty messes. Barton also recommends Rejuvenate Soap Scum Remover for quickly cleaning mild to medium stains and freshening up your glass shower doors. Simply spray the product around your shower, let it sit for up to 3 minutes, and rinse with water or wipe it away with a damp microfiber cloth. Best of all, this cleaner can be used daily to prevent any major buildup that can become harder to clean down the road. Number 6. Eco's Bathroom Cleaner. Previously known as Eco's Shower Cleaner, Eco's Bathroom Cleaner has a new look with the same great formula that has an A rating from the EWG and is EPA Safer Choice certified, making it our favorite eco-friendly glass shower door cleaner. As a bonus, all Eco's products are made in carbon-neutral zero-waste factories using 100% renewable energy. This cleaner is formulated without dyes, parabens, phosphates, or other harsh chemicals and is naturally scented with aloe vera and tea tree oil, leaving an uplifting scent all around your shower. Eco's Bathroom Cleaner is a multifunctional cleaner that can be sprayed on nearly every surface of your bathroom, including glass doors, without the need for scrubbing or wiping, and is also great for daily use. In addition to its effectiveness at preventing soap scum, mildew, and mold, it's also powerful as a preventative that extends time between cleanings. Number 7. Clorox Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover. Sometimes, despite the best cleaning efforts, mold and mildew can accumulate in the shower's humid environment. To best combat this issue, we recommend Clorox Plus Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover. Besides getting rid of stains and residue, this cleaner quickly kills mold, mildew, and common bacteria found in bathrooms, including staph, strep, and athlete's foot fungus. This cleaner is safe and effective to use on glass, grout, glazed and unglazed ceramic, vinyl shower curtains, ceramic, and plastic. For the best results when using Clorox Plus Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover, spray until the surface is thoroughly wet, let sit for 5 minutes, and rinse. This cleaner requires minimal elbow grease and can even whiten tile and grout. Since this cleaner contains bleach, do not mix it with other chemicals containing ammonia, and make sure there is proper ventilation when using it. Number 8. Rain-X Shower Door Water Repellent. A water repellent coating is the ultimate way to prevent buildup on glass shower doors. The powerful and effective formula of Rain-X Shower Door Water Repellent makes it our top choice for the best water repellent product for glass shower doors. We recommend cleaning your shower doors before spraying the repellent. Keep in mind that this is a protective coating and not a cleaner, and then using a squeegee after every shower to yield the best and most lasting results. Another thing to note about Rain-X Shower Door Water Repellent is that it is formulated for glass only, but even as the priciest product on our list, it works wonders as a protective shield. With just a little patience, proper ventilation, and carefully following the application instructions, your glass shower doors can stay free of hard water stains, soap scum, and other types of buildup commonly found in the shower. This pick also has a strong scent, so for those with fragrance sensitivities you may want to opt for another product.